Hello music lovers, friends. Today I want to talk about my BOSE speakers. It's vintage BOSE speakers, and from my opinion, for me it's best sounding BOSE speakers what I ever owned. This speakers is made of paper cones. We look inside the speakers and let's start. Okay, let's look to the speakers closely. It's made from paper, both speakers, veneer, and back of the speakers looks like that. Serial number 10 to 40 watts, made in USA. Connection ports. Okay, time to look inside with speakers. Okay, it's time to unscrew speakers and look inside. I bought the speakers for 60 euros. Time to unscrew tweeter. And look inside. The speakers at low price level. In the world, the speaker pair costs about 60 or $100. I think it's fair price for good sounding speakers like this BOSE. Guys get? Okay, I unscrew that screws and time to look inside. Tweeter looks like that. Quality is not bad. Mid bass is quality good. And time to look to crossovers. Crossover cheesy cheap capacitor, cheap resistor, and cheap coil. I want to do a little bit upgrade the speaker, change capacitor and resistor, but for me this speaker sounds very good in original shape. I recommend the speakers if you are budget and audiophile, you want to start audio hobby, is good speaker for starting. I tested the speakers with tube amps, A class amps, B class, AB class amps. It's very good little beast. Thanks for watching and see you soon.